go. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Good shit.
Oh yeah.
But the beard is bigger than the one I shot last year.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's almost a no-brainer.
So here we go, ready?
Yep.
We get in this thing this morning, I'm sitting in this corner, Zeke's sitting in this corner, I get it all set up, and I kind of do like the whole draw through, figure it out, and I'm like, we're like, dang, this is not gonna work. Morning goes on, nothing. Me and Zeke are kind of messing around, to be honest, just like whatever, like, not whatever, but like, we're talking, whatever.
Yeah.
So then we're hearing some birds over here, and I hit them back a little bit. This is way after they died. I'm gonna call, I'm gonna hit them back, right? They answer, respond, nothing. We're waiting.
For that side?
Yep, we're waiting for them to come this way, nothing. So 10, 15 minutes goes by, I hit it, they shut up, nothing, right? I go like this, I'm sitting, I'm facing this way, we're both sitting, I go,
40 yards, 40, 50
we're
yards.
like,
Where were they?
they're probably on this trail, bro.
They
They're probably
cut
on
through
this
the
trail,
field.
I'm sitting right here, I look at Zeke, I'm like,
I was like,
no, dude, I came at the draw, and it like got me, it hung me up, like
Yeah.
I was like nervous, bro, and I came to draw, Zeke shot, and I'm like, phew. And then
This is what happened.
So Zeke shot first.
yeah.